The next numerical is the weight and volume, mass-volume relationship. Calculate the weight of calcium chloride obtained from 10 grams of calcium carbonate and the volume of CO2 formed at STP at the same time. So the equation is given: calcium carbonate reacting with 2HCl forming calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. First we will calculate the molar mass of this. Calcium is 40 plus 12 plus 16 into 3. That's equal to 100 grams. 100 grams of calcium carbonate is giving, you have to calculate what? Calcium chloride. This is 40 plus 70, 40 plus 71. So that is equal to 111 gram. And what is the volume? 1 mole of carbon dioxide here. Calcium carbonate giving 1 mole of carbon dioxide, and what is the volume of 1 mole of carbon dioxide? 22.4 liters at STP. So 100 grams of calcium carbonate yields 111 gram of CaCl2. Therefore, 10 grams of calcium carbonate will yield 11.1 gram. Again, that's the first question. The second one, 100 grams is yielding 22.4 liters. 100 grams of CaCO3 forms 22.4 liters of CO2. Therefore, 10 grams of CaCO3 will form 22.4 upon 100 upon this 100 100 into 10. That is 2.24 liters. Now the homework assignment. Calculate the number of moles in 10 grams of calcium carbonate, the number of molecules in 3.2 grams of sulfur dioxide, volume occupied by 2.8 grams of nitrogen at STP, gram molecular mass of nitrogen if 360 cm cube at STP weighs 0.45 grams. The number of gram molecule of water in 4.5 grams of water. How many grams of aluminium are present in 0.2 moles of it? Number of moles of carbon dioxide which contains 8 grams of oxygen. The volume occupied by 320 grams of sulfur dioxide at STP. The mass of 56 cm cube of CO at STP. Calculate the number of moles, total number of molecules, total number of atoms, number of hydrogen atoms into 294 grams of sulfuric acid. Now stoichiometry questions. First, find the empirical formula of a compound containing 17.7% hydrogen, 82.3% nitrogen. Next, an organic compound contains 4.07% hydrogen, 71.65% chlorine, and remaining is carbon. You have to add these two and subtract from 100 to get the remaining carbon. Its molar mass is 98.96. Vapor density not given, molecular mass directly given over here. Calculate empirical formula and molecular formula. The last one. If 16.4 grams of calcium nitrate is heated, calculate the volume of nitrogen dioxide obtained, mass of calcium oxide formed. Equation given over here, 2CaNO3 whole 2 forms 2CaO4NO2 plus O2. And the atomic mass is given. Carbon 12, calcium 40, oxygen 16, nitrogen 14, hydrogen 1, chlorine 35.5, aluminium 27, sulfur 32.